Welcome back, guys, girls, anyone and everyone. I'm up the farm. Oh, there's a quad here, look. And I'm going to check the apiary down the bottom of this farm. Get a load of supers out of the unit ready, because we're getting supers ready. No, quad just abandoned in the track, I see. So we'll go around the quad. Yeah, and then I'm going to get some supers out the unit. Ready to put on the hives. Because it's warming up, things are blossoming, and you know, the season is beginning. Okay, so I need to go all the way down to the bottom today, because I've got some boxes on in the back to give to the bees. So this gate's open, that gate's open. What about the through gate? I'm going this way then. There's a sheep up there I can see. It's supposed to be really hot for the next couple of weeks over in the UK here, so yeah, we'll see. So the old wind's howling through this apiary today. But the girls are busy, look at that. Alright, bees. All the hives should be busy today. Hopefully finding plenty of stuff for themselves. Hey up, rabbit. One of them bloody rabbits that keeps eating my trees. 2 rabbits, a rabbit and a hare. Alright girls, you need to sting them rabbits. So you probably noticed I didn't put a video up last week because I didn't really have no content. I know what you're thinking, you ain't normally got any content anyway when you put a video up. But yeah, I thought I'd spare you. Yeah. Right, ferals, can't check yous. They did well through winter. So yeah, we'll just go a quick pop of the lids and have a look. See what's going on. I brought some supers down for just in case. Bees out here. It's like they're coming out there. Thought I pushed the plug out. What are you doing down there, bees? Yeah, oh. They're building in there. They've let that sugar in a week and then they're building coke. So the bees are getting busy. These ones are busy. This apiary is getting smacked in the face by the wind today, look. The old girls are having a bit of a rough time, I think. Still, look, they're still in and out. So I'd say it's time for some boxes for the old girls, look. Hey bees, what do you reckon? In a room. I'm just going to pull a frame out and see what's going on. Oh, they're storing honey. So these 3, I've given more space. They've all got another box because they're all building up into the roof now. And that one I've flipped the super back to the top. So I'll just have a look in these ones. These ones all should have plenty of room, but you don't know now looking at them others. So the queen's right up in the top box laying. I don't think the GoPro will pick it up, but there's little eggs in all of them cells there. And this is double brood, and they're in the top brood. But they're not all the way across the top, so they're nice calm bees, look, nice and slow these. They're not them crazy Red Bull bees. Yeah, that's laid up there. So all the hives are, the queens are pumping out the eggs now. So these bees are on double brood and a super, look, and they're up in the super. I don't even think they've got a queen excluder. Let's just see what they're doing in the super, shall we? So they've got some honey, but they're also storing some honey. See all the fresh nectar in there? Yeah, the bees are bringing it in already, girls. So it, you know, like, probably stopped feeding now. Obviously they consume their sugars, but they don't seem to need it at the moment anymore, so what they'll be requiring will be space and ready for splitteroonies. See, this one's double brood. So we've done well, like all the bees have come out of winter strong. Fresh bit of comb there. Come on, bees. Get off. What are you doing in there? Oh, I can't see. You're gonna have to cut it off. It's got to go anyway. Have a little investigate. Drone size brood that. No eggs in it. They don't need it anyway. So they're not all the way across, but then it's double brood, look. Maybe we'll pop this top brood box off. I'll pop it off and then I'll come back. So see this drone there? That's packed, look. And I can see honey in there as well. So they're not quite ready for another box, but they will be soon. Same again, ready for splitting and stuff. So some hives are producing drones, like the one in the garden. So there she is, look at her, plump, nice, beautiful plump girl. Big long buttocks. She's a laying. Hello Queenie, Queen, it's 2025. How are you? I'm glad you're alive. Looking for somewhere. Beautiful. We'll put this frame back in extremely carefully. Now if this is a full hive, then this is a bloody full hive. Oh goodness. 2 brood boxes and a bloody super. So all of these hives are doing really well, they're really strong. And they've all got brood in, and the queens are all laying. Bees ain't really aggressive today. Got a lot around me, but they're just like, they don't like the camera really. Yeah, they've all got brood in. They're all going up into their supers and stuff, so we just need to get ready more boxes and get ready to do all the splits and stuff. But a lot of them, you see, it's just they're ready to split. They're on double brood, so it's just literally taking halving them. The others all on brood and a half, so we'll get them ready. We still need 3 bricks down there. So anyway, we're done up here. That was jolly good. I did notice there was a, I think it might have been a farmer in the field in his fast track. The boxes all fell over. Yeah, we're done up here. Well, we've got deer farm. I've got boxes for the deer farm. I just need to nip back home and get some of the other frames, because I've got a load of wet frames I stored in a freezer over winter. So here's the gate that mashed the truck. Oh look, we did damage the post a little bit. There's the silver paint. There's the wheel track. Look how close we got. God, Jesus Christ. Praise the Lord, Allah. Akbar. So we'll do open the gate properly, hey? Oh look, sheepy walk. Pigs are gardening, look. That's them ones that was up by the bridge. Oh, look, they're in there, cow field. Oh, pigs are getting everywhere, you know. Oi, Porky the pig. What are you doing? He didn't want to stay hang around, did it? So I'm at the deer farm now. All these hives are active. That one's not. I need to look at that. Look in that one. Yeah, they're all active. Oh yeah, it is. Look, it's a horde of bees coming back to it. I was probably just stood in the way. But yeah, we're just going to put boxes on them, see if they need it. I should say some of them will. So these are busting at the seams. They are built right in their feeder. They're built under their feeder. They are clustering under their feeder. You've got a queen under there, you little buggers. Smoke them. Smoking! Come on! Oh my god. Oh, look at that. They got honey all up there, dirty little girls. So these bees ain't messing around. Have your little feeder house for the time being, little bees. We don't care. So they've all got plenty of space now. They've all got plenty of stores as well. So they're all on stacks now. Even though like some of them have got 2 boxes, 2 supers, only one super's a honey super, because obviously I tried to brood and a half or double brood all my bees this year. So they're already on a brood box and a super nearly full each hive, or a double brood box full, so they're all getting another super to give them room, because as you see they were building up in the roofs, and we're not feeding because they're being fed and they've got plenty of food, and they're producing drones. And as we look, you know, we look, and you see no varroa in there, so hopefully the varroa treatments will work this year. We'll carry on doing varroa treatments because obviously you do, don't you? But yeah, we're on big stacks. All of the hives are strong, really strong. Every hive will produce honey this year, it should. This one will produce honey. Obviously that was a real slow hive coming into before winter. Really it should have went through winter on nuke, and there'd probably been a bit more pumping, you know, now, because they've had more room to try and than they needed. They've got to put a super on, but they can't do nothing in it. They can only get to here, to the feeder, until they fill out that box, and then I'll drop that super down. But yeah, the bees, all of the bees here and the bees up the other farm are doing grand. Absolutely grand. So we're done for a Sunday. I've had a busy weekend, you know, non-stop. So yeah, we need to get boxes ready for splits, but also we need to get more supers as well for honey production. But yeah, we're going to split every hive this year, so we're doubling up, and then we're going to more than double up, I reckon. We're going to go for it.